Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Well, folks, here we go. The opening of Yankee's Boomerang box. Very exciting. I'll be right back just as soon as I get in there and check this out. See you in a bit. Okay, well now, inside there was a couple of envelopes, and from Yankee in little stacks. Stack them. Kind of cute. Now there's an envelope in here from my predecessor here, from Steve Collects, and it's sealed, and so I guess I'm just going to leave it. There's something definitely in there. So thank you very much, Steve, and I'll get something in there as well. And now we have the box. And inside the box is a bunch more packing. And we're gonna, oh my. Okay, again, from Yankee, and thanks for our support. He's a great guy. So now, inside, we have a whole bunch of stuff. So let me get this sort of cleared out and laid out. I'll be right back. Well, hello again. Boy, I have myself a conundrum on my hands. Now, with these little tiny tigers being, you know, so popular, I wanted to have a chance for everybody to get one. But now I'm into a situation here with it, being so early in this great Boomerang box. I have 8 ounces of tiny tigers, and what did I do with it? Oh, here it is. A 2020 maple. These are the new fancy ones that don't spot. So what to do? I mean, I literally love everything in here, but it's going to leave our good friend down south seduced. Not much of a box aside from some great coppers. I mean, you know, these are very, very wonderful. So I hope I don't have anybody hate me for cleaning this out, but I think that's what I'm gonna do. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, and 2 halves. And that would make 9 ounces of silver. So I hope you don't hate me for doing this, but that's what I'm gonna do. We have a 2020 maple and 26 little tiny tigers for you all. If you all hate me, please let me know. I'll try and make it up to you one day. So, that's pretty well it. I'm gonna get this all loaded up again and sent on its way down to Seduced by Silver. You all take care. Bye now.